We end setting up a plant for other synthetic mat ARI ALS ESP ECI OY SBE AIR ALFib ears and Hig H Fun CTI on chain mic L Pro DO6TS like carbon fiber reinforced composites. Boron fiber composites, silicon carbide fiber composites, or alumina fiber com, post ET sin, the PARL RAVE, ER delta, NEVER, choose a site just because the rent is cheap. Meanwhile, business owners think it's just advanced materials. Any industrial park will do. GSS what? You buy precision filament winding and composite molding equipment, only to find the park lacks CLA SSA workshop permits, making your EIA impossible to pass. Or you realize you have zero quota for VOCs emissions, and you get shut down by environmental inspectors right after starting production. In the PARLIAER delta, site selection for these high-tech materials is T about finding a warehouse. It is about a precise strategic balance between chemical compliance and supply chain synergy. Todi A, ILO use my FIVE DIM as ion DS ion mod L to break down exactly why the false Hanggaomin Gpin GQIN int ELIG. Anti-man UFA K2 Ring G in the UST rear L parquet is your top choice. DIM ends ion 1, the COMPNCE, Redling E, the MAKE or Bray AK Factor, Pro DUHing special fibers, high function products like zirconium phosphate, ion exchangers, or aluminum phosphate molecular sieves often involves complex chemical reactions and solvent use. You absolutely cannot go to a generic Tech H parquet without chemical zoning. You must confirm two things: CLSSA were KSH OP per MITS and VOCS EMISSI on QTS PIN GQIN. Parquet is a rare gem. It holds 50-year state-owned land certificates, has specific sewage and VOCS quotas, and allows for CLA SSA workshops. PUS, it is only 1 kilometer from a sewage treatment plant. THIAS is the ultimate safety net for your project. DIM ends iron 2, the red iron alkyl STR4, low the GIA NTS. You need to be where the ecosystem is. PINGQIN Parquet is building a SPECIA Liz Ed and new hub, already hosting global leaders like SUTCO and suppliers for IKEA. Setting G up here puts you directly into an international supply chain ecosystem, boosting your brand credibility instantly. DIM as IONTREE, HRD SPECS, and NERGYBOIT for heavy in the UST RICOM, Pulse IT, and fiber manufacturing equipment, requires massive SPA CE and heavy lifting. PIN GQIN specs are incredibly robust: 12-meter eaves height, 9-meter corbel S, and crane capacity up to 15 tons. The SASE high clearance, single-story steel structures are perfect for large AUTI LCL AVS, filament winders, and composite molding presses. With DH natural gas and stable power, your high temperature curing and processing are guaranteed to run smoothly. DIM ends iron full R, log ist ICs red IUS C land D and air SBE ed is money. THIAS Park is 5 minutes to the highway, 15 minutes to an international port, and 25 minutes to an international airport. We are importing specialized precursors or exporting finished composites to global aerospace, automotive, and medical clients. Your logistics efficiency will be unmatched. DIM ends ion. FAVE Nikkei Fit Compass ETSVS Chainmic LH NTS. We, the RU, are making FIB EREINFORCED post ETS needing massive floor space and heavy cranes, or AKH Fun CTI on Chainmic AALH NTS like molecular sieves. Needing strict chemical compliance and CLA SSA workshops, PIN GQIN has you covered. Weak TH units ranging from 3,400 to 9,020 square meters. You can easily customize your SBR CE for any production line. CTE selection determines life or death. Details determine success or failure. IMVURNGIV stepped in these potholes so you don't have to. If you re looking for a site for your special fiber or high-function chemical product project in the PARL RIV ER Delta, or if you re unsure about CLA SSA permits, feel free to reach out to me at +86 147 4818 5030. I am here to help.